I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications. Let's find and select the settings. Then here you need to choose wallpapers and themes. And as you can see, you need to allow a couple of permissions right here. And here you can use some of the wallpapers that are safe on your device right here. For example, let me choose the following one. If you would like to change and set up this wallpaper, you have to decide either you would like to use it on your home screen, a lock screen, or on your both screens. In my case, let me use lock screen. And that's it. Let's choose set wallpaper, and that's it. You can also use more key and, for example, see the settings of wallpapers. Here you can use the auto update Samsung themes. You can read about the Samsung themes and enable or disable the following features. You can also use the terms, the following internet wallpapers if you agree to do the terms and conditions. Let me do it. Tap start. You can add to the home screen the Samsung themes. In my case, let me choose cancel. Let's tap cancel again, and here we've got more wallpapers that you can use. You can also here see the categories, and if you would like to, you can select the top wallpapers from the internet. You can also use the themes right here. You can change the icons if you would like to, or you can use the always on display settings right here. So basically that's it. As you can see now, if I press the power key, I see the new wallpaper on my lock screen. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.